Welcome. Today, we're here to talk about a medical condition that has recently affected pop sensation Justin Bieber. It's called Ramsay Hunt Syndrome, and it's important to understand this condition and its impact. Ramsay Hunt Syndrome, also known as herpes zoster oticus, is caused by the same virus responsible for chickenpox, varicella zoster virus. It affects the facial nerve and can lead to severe pain, facial paralysis, and a rash around the ear and mouth. In Justin Bieber's case, he experienced sudden hearing loss, dizziness, and intense facial pain, which led to a diagnosis of Ramsay Hunt Syndrome. This condition can be incredibly challenging for anyone, let alone someone in the public eye. While Ramsay Hunt Syndrome is rare, it's crucial to raise awareness and understanding. The physical symptoms can be debilitating, impacting everyday activities and affecting the person's emotional well-being. It's important to note that early diagnosis and treatment can significantly improve the outcomes for patients. Antiviral medications, pain management, and physical therapy are commonly used to alleviate symptoms and aid in the recovery process. Let's support Justin and others battling Ramsay Hunt Syndrome by fostering empathy, raising awareness, and promoting a better understanding of this condition. Remember, compassion and education go hand in hand. By learning more about Ramsay Hunt Syndrome, we can create a more supportive environment for those affected. Let's stand together and show our support. Understanding Ramsay Hunt Syndrome and its impact on individuals like Justin Bieber helps foster empathy and promotes a more inclusive society. Let's raise awareness and support those facing this condition, one step at a time.